this is Judy of pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. I am going to show you how to bake empanada. Please go to pursuitoffunctionalhome.com for the complete recipe. In this recipe, I'm using chicken. You can also use pork. Also, since I do not have chicken broth cubes on hand, which what the recipe called for, I use magic syrup instead. Let's start cooking the filling. Once onions becomes translucent, add the chicken and combine. Add water, cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Cover and simmer for another 5 minutes with occasional mixing. Add green peas and cook for another 2 minutes. Add raisins. I normally put 2 boxes because we love to have more raisins in our empanada. Time to season our filling. Add 1 sachet of magic syrup. Add black pepper powder. Add sugar. I normally add more sugar until I reach my desired sweetness. I added a pinch of salt. Then mix everything. So here's the look of the filling. It tastes good with little sweetness in it. Set aside the filling. Let's make the crust again. For the complete recipe, please visit our site www.pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. I'm also sharing the recipe link in the description box below this video. Butter should be cold and solid before doing this. Again, I put the sliced butter in the freezer. Add water gradually and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until dough is formed. We deserve an applause for doing this by hand. It is a good hand and shoulder exercise. Divide the dough into individual pieces, no specific size. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. Time to shape our empanadas. Prepare everything you need within your reach. Crust, dough, flour for dusting, filling, empanada molder, cheese, and rolling pin. Squeeze dough for about 10 seconds and form a round dough. First, flatten the dough using your palm, then using a rolling pin to create a round shape. The thickness of the dough it should not be thin or not too thick. Try not rolling it too thin or it might break during baking. You can feel it with your fingers. Get your molder and measure your dough. It should be bigger than your molder. Dust your molder with flour. Again, this is to prevent the dough from sticking to it. Lay dough on the molder and start filling it. I put about 2 teaspoons of filling, then added cheese. It tastes better if you put cheese first, then the filling, then top it with another cheese slice. Any cheese will do. Slowly close the molder and press it lightly. Put on top of baking tray or grease the tray with oil. Now let's try the other molder and see how it will look. I asked my daughter to help me out. She had fun for a while, then left me all alone. Tip: when shaping the dough using this molder, do not press it too much, just enough for the dough to close. Do not follow what I did here. There it is, how pretty, but well till it is baked. This dough I was using this one, the red one. And this one I was using this molder, the new one that I bought. Make an egg wash. Break one egg, then add a tablespoon evap milk, or you can also use egg white and water. Both will have the same glazing effect. Glaze the top empanadas. While glazing the empanadas, let's turn on our oven. So preheat oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake the empanadas for 25 minutes. Here they are. Remember the puff molder that I specifically said a while ago that the dough should not be closed very tight? This is the result. A few of them baked well, but some, the dough opened. This dough is an epic fail, but I don't care because it tasted really good and it was hot when I tasted it. Take a closer look. The dough was crunchy and definitely not oily. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. To get the recipe of this yummy empanada, check the description box below. Be updated and subscribe. It's free. For more recipes and other good stuff, visit our website www.pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye.